Tonight was the regular organizational meeting for the Board of Independent School District 318, and so much of tonight's business was putting the operations of the board in place for the 2023 calendar year. Tonight, Mark Schroeder was elected as school board chair for the 2023 year. David Marty was elected again to the clerk position, and Ben was elected to the treasurer position again, Ben Hawkins. The board also heard from the principal Darren Hofstad from Grand Rapids High School about what's been happening there as it relates to our work in teaching and learning, so that was interesting to learn about. We also heard from Sean Lewis from ICS, and the school board approved the bids for the Southwest renovation project. Again, that's going to enable the school district to eventually eliminate one of its buildings as we move the district offices and administrative facilities into that building. Also put our alternative learning center in that building, and special education offices and other spaces, community education, that will be able to consolidate in that building and eliminate this administrative building, which will reduce operating costs for the school district. A number of personnel items coming through this time of year, and the board also approved the membership to the Range Association of Municipalities and Schools, which is an organization that the district's been a part of for some time, helping area school districts and cities work on efforts of collaboration as well as influencing what happens in St. Paul during the legislative session. And that took care of it.